Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability case in previous year questions. Okay, now explain question number 1 from 2010. So limit n tends to infinity, n sin 2 pi by 3n cos 2 pi by 3n. Okay, limit n tends to infinity, n sin 2 pi by 3n into cos 2 pi by 3n. We have one formula, limit theta tends to infinity, sin 1 by theta by 1 by theta. So this will be 1. So limit theta tends to infinity, sin 1 by theta by 1 by theta value 1. In this one, okay, so this will be limit n tends to infinity, sin 2 pi by 3n. So 1 2 pi by 3n divide and multiply. So this will be 1. So limit n tends to infinity, sin 2 pi by 3n by 2 pi by 3n value 1. In this n get cancelled. So 1 into cos 2 pi by 3 into, so n place and write infinity, into 2 pi by 3. So 1 by infinity value 0. So anything by infinity equal to 0. This is cos 0 into 2 pi by 3. Cos 0 value 1. This is nothing but 2 pi by 3. So second option correct. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2010. X and y values are given. We have to find dy by dx. Okay. So dy by dx equal to, so derivative of y by with respect to x. So y value what is given? A sin cube theta. A sin cube theta by, this is a cos cube theta. Okay. Now in this a constant, derivative of sin cube theta, this will be 3 sin square theta. But derivative of sin theta, we get cos theta. So by using chain rule. So denominator a constant, derivative of cos cube theta, this will be 3 cos square theta, into derivative of cos theta we get minus sin theta. So 3a get cancelled, as well as sin cos get cancelled. This is minus tan theta. So dy by dx value minus tan theta. But what are given? XY combinations are given. Okay. So y is equal to a sin cube theta and x is equal to a cos cube theta. So both are given. So divide these two equations. So y by x is equal to, a get cancelled, this is tan cube theta. Therefore tan theta equal to, tan cube theta equal to y by x. Therefore tan theta equal to cube root y by x. Cube root y by x. So answer is minus, where tan theta value we got it cube root of y by x. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. H of x and f dash x, g dash x values are given. Then we have to find this value. So options are h double dash x and h dash x are given. First we have to find derivative of h of x. So h of x what is given? F of x into g of x. Okay. Now derivative on both sides with respect to x. So derivative of h of x, we get h dash x by using UV formula. F of x into g of x. F of x into derivative of g of x plus g of x into derivative of f of x. So derivative of g of x denoted by g dash x, derivative of f of x denoted by f dash x. Now we have to find h double dash x also. So now derivative with respect to x on both sides. Again h double dash x equal to, again by using UV formula, as well as second function also. So u into f of x into derivative of h g dash x, g double dash x plus z dash x into derivative of f of x, this will be f dash x. Okay, this is the first function UV formula. And next function, what is next function? G of x into f dash x. This derivative g of x into f double dash x, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, now h double dash x equal to, in this f dash x, f dash of x g dash x, f dash of x g dash of g dash x values are given from statement. These values are c's. Okay, f of x into g double dash x plus this value c given from statement, plus g of x into f double dash x. So this value also given c. So c plus c value 2c. We got it. H double dash x is equal to f of x into g double dash x plus g of x into f double dash x plus 2c. Okay. So h double dash x equal to, in this one f of x, g of x take out common, f of x, g of x. So this will be g double dash x by g of x plus f double dash x by f of x plus 2c by f of x into g of x. This is a statement. This is required. Therefore h double dash x equal to f of x, g of x. This value given h of x. Okay. This is the required. This is the question. Therefore required is h double dash x by h of x. So which option is correct? Option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. F of x is equal to integral part of x is continuous at. So integral part of x continuous at non-integral points. So let us draw x and y axis. So let us take integral part of 1.1, 1, 1.2, 1, up to 1.9, this value will be 1. Integral part of 1 also 1. Okay. So let us take numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. So integral part of 1. Integral part of 1 is 1. Dot. Integral part of 1.1 is also 1. Integral part of 1.1. This is also 1. 1.2, 1, 1. Up to 1.9, this will be 1. So integral part of 2. Integral part of 2 is 2. Okay. So integral part of 2 is 2 and integral part 2.1, 2. 2.2, 2, 2.3, up to 2.9 also 2. Integral part of 3 value 3. Okay, like. So this type of function integral part of x. This integral part of x is continuous at non-integral points. This is the continuous at non-integral points. So f of x is equal to integral part of x is continuous at non-integral points. So that is integral part of x is discontinuous at integral points. At integral points. So f of x is integral part of x is discontinuous at integral points. So it discontinuous. So from 1 to 1.9, this is the parallel to x axis. 2 to 3, this is also parallel to x, discontinuous. This is okay. So integral part of x is discontinuous at integral points. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009. Limit n tends to infinity 3 into 2 power n plus 1 minus 4 into 5 power n plus 1. This whole divided by 5 into 2 power n plus 7 into 5 power n. Okay. Now limit n tends to infinity. So this can be written as 3 into 2 power n into 2. This value 4 into 5 power n into 5. This whole divided by the denominator write as it is 5 into 2 power n plus 7 into 5 power n. We have limit n tends to infinity a by b whole power n is equal 0 when a less than b. When a less than b, this value will be 0. Okay. So limit n tends to infinity. In this 5 to the power n take out common. 5 to the power n take out common. So this value 6 into 2 by 5 power n. 2 power n by 5 power n, 2 by 5 whole to the power n minus 4 5 is 20. This whole divided by, so in denominator also 5 power n take out common. So this will be 5 into 2 by 5 power n plus 7. Okay. So 5 power n get cancelled. We have one formula limit n tends to infinity a by b power n is equal to 0 when a less than b. In this 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. So this value will be 0. So 2 by 5, 2 less than 5. So this value will be 0. So 6 into 0 minus 20 by 5 into 0 plus 7. So this will be minus 20 by 7 answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009 question. F of x is equal to log 1 plus ax minus log 1 minus bx by x. If x not equal 0, where f of x is continuous at x is equal 0, then we have to find f of 0. Okay. So what is given? F of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. So this is the definition of continuity. So our target is f of 0. F of 0 will be limit x tends to 0, where f of x value given from statement log 1 plus ax minus log 1 minus bx, this whole divided by x. Okay, is it clear? Okay, put expression 0, this value log 1 minus log 1, 0 by 0 form. So this is the 0 by 0 form. So by using LH property, L'Hopital rule. So by using L'Hopital rule, limit x tends to 0. So what is the L'Hopital rule? So we should applying derivative on numerator as well as denominator at the same time. So log 1 plus ax. So log 1 plus ax derivative 1 by 1 plus ax into, so derivative of 1 plus ax. So derivative of 1 0, derivative of ax is a. So by using chain rule. So this is also same 1 by 1 minus bx into derivative of 1 minus bx. The differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of minus bx is minus b. This whole divided by 1. Okay. Now put expression 0. This is a definite value. So a by 1 minus into minus plus b by 1. Put expression 0. This value will be a minus into minus b, a plus b. So what is the answer? F of 0 value a plus b. Second option correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009 question. F of x value given, then we have to find f double dash 1. How can I solve this problem? Okay, this is the binomial expansion f of x. So what is given f of x value? 1 plus x whole to the power n. 1 plus x whole to the power n. This is the binomial expansion. So now derivative on both sides with respect to x. But our target is double derivative at x is equal to 1. So f dash x is equal to n into 1 plus x power n minus 1. So what is this derivative? N into 1 plus x power n minus 1. Again derivative with respect to x on both sides. So this value will be f double dash x is equal to, so n into, again by using 1 plus x power n minus 1 formula, n minus 1 into 1 plus x power n minus 2. Okay, n minus 1 minus 1. This will be n into n minus 1 into 1 plus x to the power n minus 2. So at x is equal to 1, we have to find f double dash 1 is equal to n into n minus 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 to the power n minus 2. So n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. This is the correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009 question. F of x equal to log of log x base x square. Then we have to find f double dash x at x equal to e. Okay. Now f of x equal to log of log x base x square. So base x square, we have one formula, log m to the power n power k. So this will be 1 by k times of log m base n. 1 by k times of log m base n. So this is also this 2, 1 by 2 into log of log x base x, where k placement 2 there. So 1 by 2 times of log x base x. We have one logarithm property, log a base b equal to log a by log b. Log a by log b. Now f of x is equal to 1 by 2 times of log a base b formula, log of log x, this whole divided by log x. Log a by log b, where a b value is log x and x. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x, derivative of f of x, we get f dash x 1 by 2 constant. So by using u by v formula. So what is the u by v formula? V into, so what is the v? Log x into v into derivative of u minus u into, so derivative of v, derivative of u, this whole divided by log x whole square. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. So 1 by 2 times of, so log x into, so log of log x derivative 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So this is log of log x into, so log x value 1 by x, this whole divided by log x whole square. In this 1 log x get cancelled. Okay. In statement only f dash x is given, not f double dash x. So f dash x at x equal to e. So f dash x, we got it 1 by 2 times of 1 by x minus log of log x into 1 by x by log x whole square. Okay, f dash x value, we got it this value at x is equal to e. We have to find f dash x value. So at x is equal to e, this value f dash e equal to 1 by 2 times of expression e, right? 1 by e minus log of log e by e, this whole divided by log e whole square. Okay, we have log e value, log e means base e, this value 1. So log e value 1. So log 1 value 0. This will be 0, this part. So 1 by 2 times of 1 by e minus 0 by, so denominator log e value 1, 1 square is 1. So this is nothing but 1 by 2e. So option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009 question. So y value given, then we have to find dy by dx. So by using uv formula. So y equal to sin to the power nx into cos nx. So now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y dy by dx. So by using uv formula, u into, so differentiation of v place in cos nx plus v into differentiation of u, where u place in right sin to the power nx. Okay, now sin to the power nx into, so differentiation of cos nx, we get minus sin nx into differentiation of n is n plus cos nx into, so differentiation of sin to the power n, this will be n power n into sin power n minus 1 into x, n into sin power n minus 1 x, but differentiation of sin x is cos x by using chain rule. So in this minus n into sin to the power nx, sin to the power n, so a little bit adjustment is there, sin to the power n minus 1x into sin x. So this meaning one sin x multiply and divide, remaining right as it is. This is n into cos nx into sin to the power n minus 1x into sin cos x. In this one sin to the power n minus 1x take out common, sin to the power n minus 1 as well as n. So n into sin to the power n minus 1x take out common. First write this positive value, cos nx cos x minus sin nx sin x. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, this will be cos A plus B formula. So n into sin power n minus 1x, this is cos A plus B. Nx plus nx plus x means n plus 1 into x. This is the answer. Okay. Look at the next question. This is from 2009 question. So f of x equal to g of x plus g of minus x by 2 plus 2 by h of x plus h of minus x whole inverse. Then we have to find f dash of 0. F dash of 0 means first we have to find f dash x at x is equal to 0. Okay. So what is given? F of x is equal to g of x plus g of minus x by 2. So 2 into, so denominator h of x plus h of minus x whole inverse. This means h of x plus h of minus x. So 1 by 2 inverse is nothing but 2. Okay. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of f of x, f dash x. So 1 by 2 constant. Now differentiation of g of x is g dash x. Differentiation of g of minus x, this is also g dash of minus x into minus 1. Differentiation of minus x, we get minus 1 plus 2 times of this value h dash x, h dash minus x into minus 1. Okay, put x plus in 0. So this value will be f dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2 times of, our target is f dash 0. Okay, so in g dash 0 plus into minus minus g dash 0 plus 2 times of h dash 0, this plus into minus minus h dash 0. So this cancel, all values are cancelled, the answer will be 0. So option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2008. The derivative of sin x cube with respect to cos x cube. Okay. We have the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. The derivative of one function with respect to other function. Okay, so dy by dx, where y value sin x cube and x value cos x cube. So let us take y is equal to sin x cube, x is equal to cos x cube. Okay, so what is required? dy by dx. Derivative of y value sin x cube, derivative of x cos x cube. This will be derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cos x cube into derivative of x cube. We get 3x square. So denominator derivative of cos x cube, this will be minus sin x cube into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Okay, in this 3x square get cancelled, minus cos x cube by sin x cube, this will be cot x cube. So option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2008 where f of x is even function. Okay, then we have to find f dash e plus f dash of minus e. We know that f of x is even, then f of minus x equal to f of x. Okay, f of minus x equal to f of x. This is definition of even function. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Now differentiation of f of minus x, this will be f dash of minus x into the derivative of minus x minus 1. On right side derivative of f of x is f dash x. But our target is at x is equal to e. So at x is equal to e, this value will be minus f dash of minus e equal to f dash of e. This is negative value. So bring the right side, 0 is equal to f dash e plus f dash of minus e. So what is the answer? 0 answer. Second option correct. Okay, look at the next problem. This is from 2008 question. F of x value given. Then we have to find f dash of 0. This means we have to find f dash of x at x is equal to 0. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x. In this b constant, so differentiation of e to the power ax. In this a constant, so differentiation of e to the power bx. This will be b into, so differentiation of e to the power ax. E to the power ax differentiation e to the power ax, but differentiation of ax is a by using chain rule. So a into differentiation of e to the power bx into, so derivative of bx is b because x derivative 1. This is f dash 0. We have f dash x. This is at x is equal to 0. We have to find f dash 0. At x is equal to 0, f dash 0 equal to, so ab into e to the power 0, ab into e to the power 0. So ab plus ab 2ab. Since e to the power 0 equal to 1. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2008 question. F of x to the power 5 value given 5x cube. Then we have to find f dash of x. Okay, how can solve this problem? Okay, so what is given condition? F of x to the power 5 equal to 5x cube. So now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of f dash x to the power 5 into, so differentiation of x to the power 5 5x to the power 4. So by using chain rule, 5 constant, differentiation of x cube, this will be 3x square. So f dash x to the power 5 equal to, both sides 5 get cancelled, as well as one x square term also get cancelled. So this is equal to 3 by x square. So f dash x to the power 5 equal to 3 by x square. So but what is required? F dash of x. This x to the power 5 equal to 3 by this x square. This x square can be written as x to the power 5 power 2 by 5. Okay. Put x to the power 5 equal to, put x to the power 5 equal to y. So tell me, this is f dash of y is equal to 3 by y to the power 2 by 5. So what we got it, f dash of y is equal to 3 by y to the power 2 by 5. But our target is f dash x. So let us take y is equal to x. So this is f dash x is equal to 3 by x to the power 2 by 5. X to the power 2 by 5 means fifth root x square. Okay, first option correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2008 question. So limit x tends to infinity x into sine of 2 by x. Okay, so limit x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. So x into sine of 2 by x. We have one formula, limit x tends to 1 by x tends to 0, sine 1 by x, this will be 1. Okay, in this one, limit 1 by x tends to 0, x into sine 2 by x. 2 by x divide and multiply. So this value will be 1. So limit 1 by x tends to 0 or 2 by x tends to 0. So multiply 2 on both sides, 2 by x tends to 0. So limit 2 by x tends to 0, sine 2 by x by 2 by x. This will be 1. This x get cancelled, answer is 2. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2007 question. Limit x tends to 1, tan of x square minus 1 by x minus 1. Put explanation 1. So tan 0 value 0. 0 by 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This is a 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form by using LH rule, L'Hopital rule. So limit x tends to 1. So we should applying derivative on numerator as well as denominator at the same time. So tan derivative of tan secant square x square minus 1 into, so derivative of x square, this will be 2x. This denominator x derivative 1 minus 1 derivative 0. So put explanation 1, this value will be secant square 1 minus 1 into 2 into 1. So secant square 0 value 1. So answer will be 2. So option 1 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2007 question. So y is equal 2 to the power log x. Then we have to find dy by dx. So now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to d by dx of 2 to the power log x. We have one formula, derivative of a to the power x. This will be a to the power x into log a. Okay. So derivative of 2 to the power log x. So 2 to the power log x is, so 2 to the power log x into log 2. So differentiation of a power x is a power x log a, where differentiation of 2 to the power log x is 2 to the power log x into log 2 into d by dx of derivative of log x. So by using chain rule. So this will be 2 power log x into log 2 into, so differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So this is the correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2007 question. So secant inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus y equal to a. Then we have to find dy by dx. So what is given? Secant inverse of this function equal to a. Therefore 1 plus x by 1 minus y, this will be equal to secant of a. Okay. Okay, let us take this is first equation. So by cross product this value 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus y into secant a. Now 1 plus x is equal to this secant a multiply with 1 minus y. Secant a into 1 secant a minus y into secant a. Okay, now applying derivative on both sides. So differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of x we get 1, differentiation of secant a constant, derivative 0. So y into secant a into, so differentiation of y dy by dx. Okay, So our target is dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by secant a. Minus 1 by secant a. So minus 1 by, so what is the secant a? Secant a value 1 plus x by 1 minus y. Substitute 1 plus x by 1 minus y. So this will be minus 1 into 1 minus y minus 1 by x plus 1. Y minus 1 by x plus 1. So option 1 correct. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2007 question. So y value given cos square 3x by 2 minus sin square 3x by 2. So this will be cos 3x formula. So y is equal to cos 3x. We have cos 2 theta is cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. With theta placement 3x is there. This is cos 3x. Okay, now differentiation. What is our target? D square y by dx square. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y dy by dx. Differentiation of cos 3x, we get minus sin 3x into 3. Okay. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So d square y by dx square equal to, in this minus 3 constant, differentiation of sin 3x. This will be cos 3x into 3. This is minus 9 cos 3x. This cos 3 expression we should write y from equation 1. So cos 3x, this cos 3 expression write y. So minus 9y correct answer. Option 3 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. In this statement f of, this is from 2007 question. F of x value given 1 minus cos x by x square if x not equal to 0. If x equal to 0, f of x value k. Where f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, then we have to find k. So where what is given? F of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. We have continuity definition, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. But in this statement, f of 0 value k given at exactly x value 0, then f of x value k. So this is nothing but k. So therefore limit x tends to 0. So f of x value given 1 minus cos x by x square. So this will be k. So put expression 0, 1 minus cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by 0 form is 0. 0 by 0 form, this is undefined form. So 0 by 0 is undefined form. So by using LH rule. So limit x tends to 0. So 1 derivative of 1 0. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. By derivative of x square, this will be 2x equal to k. So minus into minus plus. In this 1 by 2 constant, k equal to limit 1 by 2 constant. So limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x. Sin x by x value 1. So answer is 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. Option 3 correct. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2007. X to the power x is equal to y to the power y. This condition is given. We have to find dy by dx. How can we solve this problem? This is in the form of variable power variable. Okay, now taking logarithm on both sides. So log of x to the power x is equal to log of y to the power y. Okay, this is nothing but x log x. X into log x is equal, this is y log y. This is in the form of log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. Okay, so now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So by using UV formula, x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. So as well as right side also UV. So y into d by dx of log y plus y into d by dx of log y into d by dx of y. So x into derivative of log x, we get 1 by x plus log x into dx get cancelled. So y into derivative of log y, 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y into dy by dx. Okay, in this y get cancelled as well as x also cancel. Okay, 1 plus log x is equal to dy by dx plus log y dy by dx. So 1 plus log x equal to 1 dy by dx, take out common on right side, 1 plus log y. But our target is dy by dx. Therefore, 1 plus log x by 1 plus log y. This is equal to dy by dx. So 1 plus log x by 1 plus log y, which option is correct? Fourth option correct. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. The remaining problems I will explain on next part.